Hey Raman, what are you doing?
Oh hey Ankita. Nothing much, just scrolling Instagram.
Again? Every time I see you, you are on your phone.
Yeah, I think I'm addicted.
I think you really are. Don't you get bored?
Honestly, no. There's always something new, reels, memes, videos.
But don't you feel like you are wasting time?
Sometimes, yes. But it also helps me relax.
That's true. I used to be like that too.
Really? You don't use social media much now?
Not that much. I reduced my screen time.
How did you do that? It's really hard.
At first, it was difficult. I kept checking my phone every few minutes.
Same here. I can't even sit quietly without my phone.
I started small. I turned off notifications.
That's a good idea.
Then I set a daily limit for apps.
Did it actually work?
Yes, slowly. Now I spend more time reading and going outside.
That sounds productive.
It is. I feel more focused and less stressed.
Less stressed? How?
Social media sometimes creates pressure, comparing yourself to others.
Oh yes. I feel that too. When I see others traveling or achieving something, I feel like I'm behind.
Exactly. But remember, people only post their best moments.
That's true, no one shows their struggles.
So, do you want to reduce your screen time?
Yes, I think I should try.
Great. Let's make a plan.
Okay, what should I do first?
First, decide how many hours you want to spend daily.
Maybe 2 hours?
That's a good start.
And what should I do in my free time?
You can try hobbies, reading, exercising, or learning something new.
I always wanted to learn guitar.
That's perfect. Start with that.
But what if I feel bored?
It's normal in the beginning.
That's true.
Just stay consistent. Slowly, you'll enjoy real-life activities more.
You're right. I should give it a try.
Definitely. Life is not just on the screen.
Yeah, true.
Also, spend time with friends and family.
Like we are doing now?
Exactly. This is real connection.
You know what? I'm going to keep my phone away right now.
Wow! That's a big step.
Done.
So, how do you feel?
A little strange, but also good.
That's the start of change.
Thanks, Ankita. You really helped me.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
Let's go for a walk?
Sure. That's much better than scrolling.
Absolutely.
Thanks for watching. Practice this conversation daily and improve your English step by step.